Record
Yeah.
dulu. Okay, good evening everyone. In this part of session, we have Atika becoming our participant of our simulation interview SBM Poltek Part 2025. So, Atika, we have several of role. In the first one about time limit, we have 15 minutes to interview and 10 minutes to giving feedback. And you, of course, using in English for answering and giving a question, but you have don't have any way you can using in Bahasa. Okay, so let me start with the first of all question is about yourself and please introducing yourself, Atika.
Okay. Good evening, sir. Firstly, I would like to thank you for today's opportunity. And Hai Bandung has been my top choice to continue my studies, so it's really an honor for me to have this interview today. My name is Atika Raisa Kilawijanarko. You may call me Atika, signed as Atika. I live with my family of four, and I have one younger sister. I'm a fresh graduate of Syed Vocational High School studying in culinary. During high school, I've joined multiple competitions. In total, I've joined 6 competitions during the past 3 years. I've collected 25 certificates, including 3 championships,
Mm.
and I'm also active in organization outside school or inside school. I've done 6 months of internship at the Ritz-Carlton Jakarta. I was selected as a high potential intern and received a recommendation letter to continue working with the Ritz-Carlton. Not only that, I am currently opening my new business in the F&B world. I am making a pisang hijau business. That's all for my introduction. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Atika, for your introducing was so a lot of achievement ya. Good. So next
Thank you.
question it's about the reason yeah. About the reason why did you choose a Poltech Par and why you chose that your major, of course.
So first, why did I choose Polytech Parayanhai? Because we all know Polytech Parayanhai is the number one polytechnic. And long before this interview, I've already contacted with Anhai and I've seen the kitchen and also the facilities. I
Mm.
believe that Polytech Parayanhai has the facilities and lectures that will help me develop my potentials. And also for the major, I chose pastry. I chose pastry because actually first I chose culinary,
Mm.
but after studying and also working in the culinary field, I found my passion and also my skills that I have in pastry. That's why I chose to continue in pastry.
Mm. So because you have experience and starting from vocational school,
Yes.
then you said before you training at the Ritz-Carlton,
Ritz-Carlton.
Ritz-Carlton Jakarta.
Ritz-Carlton Jakarta
Oh,
Mega Kuningan.
oh, Omega Kuningan. So, can you tell me about that your experience, especially for Seaman at your vocational school when your internship at Ritz-Carlton?
So in my internship, I was in a hot kitchen
Mm.
and it is a fine dining restaurant. The difficulties is maybe because I'm an only internship. I was just one intern at that one kitchen, so
Mm.
it's definitely very difficult for me to get to know the place because I'm all by myself. So if I'm wrong, then it's on me. Um, that I wouldn't say that I'm on hot kitchen because when I'm there, I was put in different places. So
Okay.
in for a week, maybe I was in pastry. For another week, maybe I'm in Asia restaurant and many more. For my school, I think it's more of a theory. I learned more of a theory at school because more of the techniques I learned at my internship.
Okay, so at your internship, give me like maybe egg menu, especially at the Ritz-Carlton restaurant.
So actually, at the interview, I am going to bring my portfolio. Would
Okay.
you like to see that or
Oh, I want to see
yeah?
that,
Can I
please.
send you right now?
In
Yeah,
link or
I already printed
oh, you already printed.
in a document. Yeah, I already printed so I can bring it later on because it's I don't know how to describe what I make. So that's why
Okay.
I make my portfolio.
Okay, you can send to me, I
Okay.
think. Okay, good,
Okay,
Atika.
I think in WA aja.
Oh yeah.
Okay, already sent it.
Wait a minute. Not yet. No, we can have a connection maybe.
I make most of salad. Oh, yeah. I make mostly salads, and the fun part about my kitchen is we have gastronomy.
Hmm?
So if you know Fango,
Yeah,
we
fun
make
go.
food that are related to the paint. Yeah.
You make a food with painting?
Yeah. We make food that is interesting. So there is the movie that
Uh,
explains the food that we make. It's a very
okay.
fun experience actually.
Okay,
That's why I
okay.
make it work for you to show.
Okay, very interesting, Atika. So, Atika, can you tell me one
Yeah.
recipe and how to make it? The recipe, of course, starting from planning. Starting from prepare the ingredients and how to make.
So maybe one recipe that I'm frequently making is pisang ijo.
Okay,
Uh,
especially.
yeah, because I'm currently selling that.
Okay.
So, for the preparation is we just scale every ingredients that we have and prepare all of the equipments that we need. And for the ingredients, it's actually quite simple. We just need I personally use king banana because it's more sweet, and we use rice flour, butter, and we can use pasta. Uh, what is it called? Daun pisang? Apa ya
Mm-mm.
namanya? Pandan,
Leaf.
sorry. Pasta pandan.
Oh, pasal
Or
pandan.
we can blend the pandan leaves into the apa ya namanya? Into the dough,
Mm-mm.
and then we cover the banana with it. It uses steam techniques
Okay, after
to
that.
make pisang hijau. After that, it is served with no, it's just steam actually for the pisang, but for the serving, it needs bubur sumsum, and
Hmm?
it also needs sirup
Ice.
DHT. For
Eh,
bubur sumsum is quite simple, yeah, and ice. For bubur sumsum is actually quite simple. We need coconut milk,
hmm.
we need uh rice flour, and just water basically.
Okay, good. Thank you, Atika, for your ice pisang hijau ya. Okay, banana green ice. Okay.
Banana
Um,
green ice.
okay, so the business are already running or like
The business is actually in R&D right now,
oh,
so we are still opening PO for
oh,
the batch one, but I already registered. It is already registered in Gojek, and
okay.
people can start buying from WhatsApp, Instagram,
Oh,
and more.
because the project is starting from the Euro home.
Yeah,
Good, good.
I'm
So
using my last 3 months of free time to
okay,
open my own business.
okay, good, good. So there are have a selling product price. I think you have it.
For now, our price point is at 25 rupiah, but
25.
haven't decided. Yeah, I haven't decided in the bowl because I want it to be premium but not
Little,
over costing.
yeah, little bit premium
Yeah,
for
that's
es pisang hijau. I think es pisang hijau around
yeah,
it's 15, I think.
25 in Jakarta is quite normal, I think. I don't
Oh
know.
yeah, quite normal. But if we add the
Yeah,
street, yeah. But if you wanna put on Gojek, of course, it
yeah.
was like a normal price at Gojek, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, good. Interesting, Hatika. So next move, it's about the future plan, Hatika, ya. After you graduate from Poltek Parayanai Bandung, what did you wanna do?
So first, for this year plan, definitely just be accepted in the Poltek Par Bandung first. I hope
Okay.
that in the school I can be active in terms in competitions,
Mm.
courses outside school, and continue my prestasi ya in
Yeah,
my
your
vocational high school.
achievement. Mm.
And yeah, my achievements. And for my future plan is I would definitely want to go abroad.
Okay.
So I would like to travel around the world with my pastry skills. That's first because I want to know the techniques and recipe that they are using in their countries.
Mm.
After that, I would definitely want to open my F&B business.
Mm.
And after owning my F&B business, I would like to have a kitchen that educates society about the techniques, theory, and also recipes of pastry.
Mm. Did you wanna come back again to Indonesia to open that your restaurant, or you wanna stay at the outside of Indonesia and open the restaurant at the outside the
Um,
country?
no, definitely after going abroad and studying a lot of techniques, I would definitely go to Indonesia and open it here
Oh,
so
in
I can give
Jakarta,
to my
Bandung?
family. Maybe both. I hope
Okay.
both.
Okay, I hope so. I have to, and I hope they will can be realizing. Yeah, I'll send my praying to that your business on the future. Yeah. Okay.
Amin. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you Atika. That's all of this question ya. Udah semua sebenarnya dijawab sama Atika. I just giving a little bit feedback ya. I just wanna
Okay.
say was like for your English speaking skill was very good enough ya. Udah sangat bagus. I think no comment lah ya. You using of apa ya rasanya? Flawless, flawless banget. Nggak mengalir aja gitu. Apa yang ditanyain. Apalagi aku baca portofolionya Atika, banyak banget cuma 11 lembar. Wow. Dek,
Semoga ya, semoga cukup ya.
ini
Semoga
semoga
cukup
cukup.
ya.
Ya udah lebih dari cukup. Ini bikin
I
apa? Ya,
already, I'm
wow.
gonna bring it like in this folder. I've
Heeh.
already printed out.
Oh,
So
you
I'm
udah
gonna
printed
bring
out.
each docent one.
Tiga rangkap sih.
Yeah, I already printed out. I
Heeh.
print three. Yeah, I
Good,
print
good.
three.
Oke, good, good. Tiga rangkap terus jangan difotokopi. Ya, biar nggak hitam putih.
That's my preparation.
Jangan hitam putih,
Enggak,
tolong.
full
Oke.
color.
Oke.
Iya dong. Enggak, enggak
Ah,
dong.
lupa nih hitam putih. Udah bagus warnanya bagus banget. I don't know, was like ini aku mau nanya deh, mungkin aku share screen dikit ya.
Okay, okay.
Pasti pasti akan banyak ditanya loh kalau
Yeah,
bawa.
I make it so that the docent can ask about
Ya,
it.
yeah, of course. Ini apa Aka? Yang pojok kiri atas nih. Ini.
This is jujur ya, ini not all made by me,
Oke.
but this is a part of my restaurant. So the first one itu dia fondant.
Oh, fondant.
So it's eatable.
Ah,
Fondant.
not edible. Ini bisa dimakan, enggak kan?
It's edible.
Oh,
Itu bisa
edible.
dimakan.
Wow.
Ya.
Ini aku takut juga makannya, tapi bagus banget soalnya. Literally like like kayak dulu masak-masakan tahu nggak sih pakai tanah liat, pakai plastisin. That you know.
Yeah. The plating there is
Oh, ini di atas meja. Dia ada piring kan? Waduh, reputable.
kalau yang fondant ini dia bagian dari sebuah kue sih, Kak.
Iya ya. Ini kan. Ini di
Hanya
atas
itu
plate kan?
dokumentasi yang aku dapetin.
Ini bukan hanya sih banyak banget sumpah. Ini yang Van Gogh. Ini yang Van Gogh. Unstable guys. Halo, Atika. This my connection. Hmm. 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 Halo, Atika. Bisa dengar?
Sudah. Tadi sempat nge-lag ya? Iya.
Sorry. Aku stop
Sudah.
share. Tapi intinya ini bagus Atika. There was so apa ya? Asam lah ya. Iya, jangan
Semoga
lupa lah
cukup.
dibawa di portofolionya. Semoga cukup. Ini lebih dari cukup. Atika
Semoga
Raisa
cukup.
Akila
Semoga
Wijanarko. Oke.
cukup.
eh Terus tadi prestasinya juga banyak Atika ya. Like ini apa? Indonesian Sign Language Certification, Public Speaking English Certification. Oke, I know it was your English so good
Um,
banget
I
deh.
have sign language. I learned sign language.
Okay, you ever taking IELTS before?
IELTS, I've never took IELTS actually,
TOEFL?
but I have multiple English certification.
Oh,
TOEFL also no, but
no.
I I've did and practice. Yeah, I haven't take the test,
Uh,
but I already done the courses.
I think if you take the test, I think you're on the 6.5 or 6 ya.
Yeah, it was
Kayaknya
very good.
around segitu sih harusnya.
Sadly, I didn't.
Apalagi ya, aku mau komen apa ya? Tapi tadi paling ya pas training ya. Pas training tuh harus di ini apa? Maksimalisasi sih
Pop
mungkin
out
untuk
lagi ya.
masalah bulan. Biar lebih terstruktur aja. In the first month, Atika ditaruh di mana gitu ya. Terus nanti bulan
Oh,
kedua
okay.
ngapain sampai bulan ke-6 gitu. Entah itu 2 sampai 3 atau 4 5
Enam.
atau 4 sampai 6 gitu. I just being
Okay.
focus on that your month because cuma 6 bulan ya. And you
Hmm.
already have a best training ya atau acknowledgement-nya aja. Dapat Marriott internship.
I wasn't selected itu sih. Belum 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 best training tapi dapetnya high potential
Oke oke
gitu.
di atas
Jadi tetap dapat
rata-rata ya.
recommendation letter untuk ke kerja di sana.
Oke, good, good, good. So, mungkin aku mau tanya sih. I think that your kitchen merasa rasanya
Hmm.
di kitchen tuh gimana sih? Did you feel?
Di kitchen ya.
Heeh.
Kemarin kalau Tita bilang dia nggak overtime ya. Dia nggak
Iya,
dia. Kalau di aku gimana ya Kak? Sebenarnya emang nggak overtime, tapi karena kita sebagai intern di sana sendiri, I feel like I have the
loyalty.
obligation to do. Yeah, I feel like I have the obligation to do my best. Because satu station tuh aku yang ngurus Kak. Jadi kadang tuh kalau misalkan otomatis I have to know, I have
Mhm.
to know berapa ya?
Everything.
50% kayak ada deh. 50-40%. And
Wow,
I have to know in just 2 weeks, I think.
ya Allah. Tapi bisa,
That's
Ta-
my difficult.
tapi bisa sih.
Eh, aku yakin kakak kelas aku sih mungkin awal-awalnya kayak ini anak lama banget gitu sih.
Oh,
Cuma
nggak apa-apa.
um, yeah, it's quite difficult to know every single karena kita a la carte kan, jadi kita harus
Hmm.
tahu beber every single detail in that
Iya
plate
ya, apalagi di pastry
gitu
ya,
sih.
like each of beberapa orang harus perfeksionis sih di sana. Like terlalu ribet ya. Aku sih di
Iya.
front office lebih santai. Oke. I think that's all Atika ya. Kalau ada pertanyaan boleh.
Mm, for now tidak ada sih, karena sudah
Oke.
dapat feedbacknya. Terima
Oke.
kasih.
Oke. Skolastik gimana?
Skolastika,
Ya, 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 ya.
eh
Apa? Ya,
matematika sih yang masih
matematika.
repot.
Kenapa? Kenapa sih
Itu
orang-orang
sih one thing I'm
anak-anak SMK
worried
tuh
right
pasti
now.
matematika, Kak. Emang nggak diajar ngitung di SMK
Matematika
diajarin
sih.
loh.
Tapi overall, diajarin,
Diajar.
diajarin kok.
Tapi
Diajarin kok, tapi ya begitu.
sedikit, tapi sedikit. Udah itu doang.
Iya.
I think perlu banyak ini aja sih apa latihan soal. I think makanya
Latihan
aku
soal ya
ntar
pasti.
tanggal 14 sampai 25 ya. Full Zoom setiap malam. I think
Oke.
ya
Oke.
untuk
Preparation ya.
mengakomodir teman-teman yang like mungkin agak kesulitan di beberapa materi. Mungkin ntar porsinya kita atur ya. Mungkin lebih banyak kuantitatifnya daripada verbal. Karena kalau verbal kayaknya terlalu gampang. Mungkin I don't know. Kadang ada yang
Hmm.
sulit tapi kebanyakan sih kuanti sih. Terutama yang SMK ya. Kalau SMA,
Kuanti.
I think kalau SMA kebalikan wawancara.
Sudah cukup ya.
Ya kalau wawancara sih
Oh,
udah more than enough sih untuk Atika. Just preparation about your ini aja scholastic. Karena ya
for
balance
the
gitu.
scholastic.
Heeh. Ya balance lagi about tes your
Iya
apa
benar.
tesnya.
Presentasi nih.
Oke, good Atika. I think kalau misalnya ada
Hmm.
pertanyaan mungkin nanti bisa
Oke.
chat aja kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan. Good luck ya. Nice to know you and keren banget. I think one of the
Oke.
best gak sih? Nanti kita harus juga bikin kompilasi gak
Ya
sih mana?
ampun, amin, amin. Amin,
Keren
amin.
banget. Ya Allah, ini mirip-mirip sama tahun lalu sih. Kayak aku ranking 1 sampai 3 yang paling bagus dan ternyata benar 1 sampai 3 tuh lolos semua tahun lalu ya. Nah,
Ya Allah, amin.
I hope tahun ini sih ya. Good luck Atika
Amin,
ya. Thank
amin.
you so much.
Thank you
Tetap jaga
very
kesehatan
much,
ya.
Kak.
Sehat selalu, tetap semangat
Pastinya.
ya. Sampai ketemu di kelas berikutnya. Thank you ya. Assalamualaikum.
Terima
Selamat malam.
kasih.
Selamat istirahat. Bye bye.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Kak.
Ya.